Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Dollar falls on drop in U.S. Treasury yields and stocks analysis. http ntvforex.com News ID A31879 2022 22:29 am. The greenback paired intraday gains made in Asia and European morning and tumbled to a 2-year low in New York on renewed USDS weakness as investors sold the dollar due to Federal Reserve's new approach to monetary policy after Chairman Jerome Powell announced it at Jackson Hole Symposium last Thursday, together with weakness in U.S. Treasury yields and equities. NBSP versus the Japanese yen. Although dollar briefly rebounded to 105.80 in New Zealand, price dropped to session lows at 105.30 shortly after Asian Open. However, the pair then erased intraday losses and later rallied to 106.09 in New York morning on cross-selling in JPY before retreating to 105.79 on renewed USDS weakness as well as drop in U.S. Treasury yields and stocks. NBSP. Although the single currency extended its recent gain and rose to January 1929 at Asian Open, price met renewed selling there and fell to session lows at 1.1884 in European morning on recovery in the greenback. However, the pair then rallied to a 12-day high of January 1965 in New York morning and then weakened to January 1926 on profit-taking. NBSP. Reuters reported the European Central Bank has no reason for now to add to its stimulus measures as disruptions related to the recent surge in coronavirus infections were already factored into its policy, ECB board member Isabel Schnabel told Reuters. NBSP. With case numbers inching towards their early year highs, some European nations are once again imposing restrictions on business and travel, raising expectations that the ECB would be forced to expand its already lavish, €1.35 trillion $1.6 trillion emergency bond scheme, to help governments cope. NBSP. The British pound initially gained to 1.3370 Reuters at Asian Open and then fell to session lows at 1.3302 in European morning on USDS broad-based recovery as well as cross-selling in sterling, especially versus euro. However, cable then jumped to a fresh 8-month high at 1.3396 in New York morning on renewed selling interest in the greenback before retreating to 1.3361 on profit-taking. NBSP data to be released on Tuesday. NBSP Australia AIG Manufacturing Index, Building Approvals, Current Account, RBA Interest Rate Decision, New Zealand Building Permits, GDT Price Index, Japan Unemployment Rate, Japan Bank Manufacturing PMI, China Cakes and Manufacturing PMI, Swiss Manufacturing MPI, Italy Market Manufacturing PMI, Unemployment Rate, France Market Manufacturing PMI, Germany Market Manufacturing PMI, Unemployment Change, Unemployment Rate, EU Market Manufacturing PMI, HICP, Core HICP, Unemployment Rate, UK Market Manufacturing PMI, US Redbook, Market Manufacturing PMI, Construction Spending, ISM Manufacturing PMI, and Canada Market Manufacturing PMI. NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.